Hey guys, welcome back to Helmet Dude. We have new bike with us. So most of the people have talked so many things about this bike, but this time with this bike we're gonna talk about its USP and its features and which bike we have. Any guesses? So समझ तो आ गया होगा साउंड से, जहाँ पे इग्निशन की है उसकी पोजीशन से. So riders, meet the Java 42FJ. Isn't that a beauty? Just looking gorgeous. It's a classic beauty, retro style design. Dual exhaust, offset instrumental cluster and fuel tank, and just cute little indicators with entirely different style of key placement, which just makes the cockpit view looks like a zen pit. Neat and tidy. So enough of talking, let's ride this bike and talk about some of the untouched points which normally users have missed it, and let's talk about its USP and its features. This motorcycle isn't just about the looks, it's about the whole damn experience. Today I'm diving deep into what makes this motorcycle a standout among its competition. I will talk about its technical specification also, but right now, as I've mentioned, we'll touch those points which I felt very important to discuss, and one of that is its practical implementation of brakes. The Java 42FJ is equipped with dual channel ABS, so whether they are the tricky roads, city roads or the highways, no skids, no drama. It's really built to deal with all ease. So I must say I'm really impressed seeing the whole package. Apart from that, its USP and features. Uske alawa, what I'm more impressed is its braking power. Its capability to control the bike by the rider because of its impeccable braking capabilities, which is really well taken care by both the brakes, front and rear disc brake. The bike is nice. Torque delivery is superb. Completely a retro design. It's a relaxed yet very commanding. Seats are in a way that, it's not putting you, in a relaxed position. It's like a very commanding yet relaxed with the elbows portion. I really liked it for now at least. थोड़ा और चलाएंगे इसको तो आइडिया आएगा. That symphony from the exhaust is just mesmerizing. Impressive. The brakes are really impressive. Horn is loud. Damn. Even on the third gear you can easily pull your bike from the speeds like 7 to 8. In the lower gears, I mean 1, 2 and 3, the power delivery is really good, whether you are pulling the bike on second or third. Oh, nice. Because of this wide handlebar and the seat structure, the posture came out to be a commanding on this bike, yet relaxed. So that is very... Oh, brakes are awesome. Brakes are really good. Suspension is working really nice. I can just, feeling it कि easily अब मैं 4th gear पे गाड़ी खींच रहा हूँ, flyover पे. Oh my god, lovely. Beautiful. And brakes are working just as sharp as possible. Bite बहुत ही बढ़िया है. Rear brakes का भी and front brakes का भी. बात करते हैं हम technical specifications की बाद में, but फिलहाल we are just riding around in the city. That's our target right now, to travel as much as possible, to ride as much as possible. So these bigger disc brakes, I would say one of the biggest in the market in the competition, is 320mm at the front and 240mm rear with really wide tires. What actually it means to you that you will have a better quality of braking, a more power to you, which will help you to give you confidence and a good braking capabilities while you are on road. And this bike comes with ABS as a standard, so that means कि आपका जो front tire है, जो rear tire है, it will not lock at the same time, so it will be controlled independently. This is what it is, that the dual channel ABS comes as a standard, and from my experience all I can say, this bike with these set of brakes gives you a precision and really a control when you are riding on the street or in the city. It's a confidence giving bike, no doubt. I'm riding it for the first time and I'm getting used to it minute by minute. And turning radius is also very nice, बहुत ही स्मूथली है ना. सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इसका बहुत नीचे लाई कर रहा है, और उस हिसाब से जो टर्निंग है इट्स वेरी निम्बल टू बेंड एंड टर्न, इजी टू बेंड. Place is new for me. I have to find some places to let's see if I can. One more thing I really liked is that braking got some superpowers, and rest again. Yeah, I have to talk about the clutch also. Easily I can take with 2 fingers, so even if you are using 2 fingers you can easily take the clutch. But yeah, it's easy to change gears. And if you are talking about the changing gears, then yes, changing gears is very sleek. It's like a very crisp. अभी तक जो मैंने 30-40 किलोमीटर चलाया है, आई डिडंट फाइंड एनी काइंड ऑफ फॉल्स न्यूट्रल और गियर इश्यूज, और बैठ के मैं लेफ्ट राइट ऊपर नीचे कर रहा हूँ अपने पाँव के साथ. सो दैट्स नॉट एन केस. ओह माय गुडनेस, सी द डिलीवरी. टॉर्क बहुत ब्यूटीफुली इसके अंदर डिलीवर होता है. स्टांस के हिसाब से ना गाड़ी और कंफर्टेबल लगती है. इट्स नॉट कि आपको वो डरा रही है दैट द मोमेंट यू आर इंक्रीजिंग योर स्पीड, द मोमेंट यू आर ओपनिंग योर थ्रॉटल, सो डर नहीं लगता है बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टांस, एंड इट्स नाइस. So we have this rear tire with this, with Sheet brand 140 by 70 and 17 inch, and at the front we have again tubeless seat. We say that it's 100 by 90, 18 inch. The bike looks really long, big, and the road presence is marvelous. Let's talk about its unique design. It's swept up exhaust, fully digital console, aluminum brush cladding, off-speed speedometer, and not to forget, just look at the teardrop tank. Beautifully designed, attention to detail graphics. So definitely this 42 FJ turns head, a true Java. So when I started it was around 25 kilometers. So almost मैंने आज काफ़ी किलोमीटर चला लिया है. एंड ऑल आई कैन से दिस इज़ डेफिनेटली easy, nimble to ride in city traffic, especially I'm in Chennai right now, and on highways also I have tested it. It runs very nice. The 5th gear and 6th gear are really helpful and actually useful and come into play when we are on highway. And city mein to you cannot use much 5th and 6th gears, but those are really mind blowing. Those are really nice to ride, very smooth, easy to cruise, and what a torque, what a power delivery in first 3 gears. And as I've mentioned before, you can smoothly ride even in city also in 3rd and 4th gear. This bike is really setting a benchmark for doing something different for the customers, and जो भी ये बाइक ले रहा है, जो भी ये पोटेंशियल या एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर्स हैं, डेफिनेटली दे थिंक समथिंग डिफरेंट. आप जब होल्ड करते हो ना इसको, इट गिव्स यू अ ग्रिप. जो कॉम्बिनेशन है फ्रंट और रियर ब्रेक्स का, just outstanding. It's more than just a bike, it's a statement. The long wheelbase, wide tires and that robust design give it the big bike vibe every rider craves. And as I was saying, you know, जो छोटी छोटी जो चीज़ें होती है ना, डिटेलिंग, आपको जो नीट एंड क्लीन जो आपको ये कॉकपिट मिल रहा है, ये जो ग्रिप है यू नो हैंडल बार की, ये जो मिल रही है, ये एवरीडे यूज़ होती है. इवन तो मैंने भी ग्लव्स पहना हुआ, बट नॉर्मली जब हम चलाएंगे डे टू डे बेसिस पे तो ग्लव्स नहीं होंगे, यू विल फील कि ग्रिप्स आर रियली स्मूथ. तो जितने ग्रिप्स स्मूथ होंगे, इट विल बी एन इम्प्रूव्ड एंड यू नो आई वुड से वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस कि एवरी टाइम यू आर स्विचिंग ऑन योर बाइक इग्निशन एंड यू गेट अ यू नो वेरी नाइस स्वीट फीलिंग. घर से निकलना है, कोई सामान ही लेके आना है, बट दैट राइड बिकम्स वेरी जॉयफुल बिकॉज ऑफ दीज यू नो स्मॉल इंटीग्रिटीज़ एंड छोटी छोटी डिटेलिंग. सो दीज थिंग्स रियली मैटर. मैं पहले सोचता था कि यार क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है यार, इंजन है, दैट्स इट, बढ़िया इंजन है, और क्या चाहिए, 10 साल चलेगा, जनरेशन आगे की चलाएंगी. बट नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट ऑलवेज. टू बी ऑनेस्ट,
I saw the Java 42 FJ ad and thought, it looks good, but let's see how it rides.
and honestly, seeing it up close and feeling its power,
Truly exceeded my expectations.
in 2025,
This motorcycle is the bike to look forward to.
इसका अलग स्टाइल है इसको ओपन करने का, क्लोज करने का. तो आई थॉट कि चलाया, पेट्रोल भरा के ही देते हैं वापस, खाली गाड़ी क्यों देनी. गाइस, डिफेंडर ये भी शोरूम से निकली हुई है, कोई ऑफिशियली चला रहा होगा. एंड लुक्स लाइक अ टैंक. फ्यू थिंग्स आई वांट जस्ट से दैट जो मैंने चलाई. सो दिस इज oh hero,
How's your ride, bro?
yeah, it was good. Okay, nice. This is then
Red.
you wanna buy when tomorrow. That was pretty much